Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the sound settings on the Seat Arona Infotainment system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Follow the steps to learn how to adjust the sound settings on the Seat Arona Infotainment system. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then tap Sound. You can move this red dot around to choose where the media sound will be focused. If the car is full, then having the dot in the center is best, but if there are only people in the front, you may prefer to have the sound focused in the front. If you are playing music for your kids in the back, having the music focused in the back would be best. You can also use the arrows to move the red dot. You can tap the button in the middle of the arrows to bring the music focus back to center. Tap Equalizer in the top left to change the equalizer settings. You can change the bass, mid, and treble. You can tap Reset in the top left to put the settings back to default. Tap Back to go back to the previous page. Tap Settings. Here you can change the warning volume, the maximum switch-on volume, the speed-dependent volume adjustment, aux volume, entertainment fading on navigation announcements, and the touchscreen tone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.